आज की इस वीडियो में हम MCQs फ्रॉम 401 टू 425 तक डिस्कस करेंगे। MCQs नंबर 401, द लखनऊ पैक्ट 1916 was signed between which two major political parties? The answer is All India Muslim League and Indian National Congress. MCQs number 402, who presided over the Lucknow session of the Muslim League in 1916? The answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. MCQs number 403, in which year was the Khilafat movement formally launched? The answer is 1919. MCQs number 404, which British Act introduced the system of diarchy in provinces? The answer is Government of India Act 1919. MCQs number 405, in which year were separate electorates abolished for the first time in Pakistan? The answer is 2002. MCQs number 406, which article of the 1973 Constitution allows restriction on freedom of speech in the interest of Islam? The answer is Article 19. MCQs number 407, who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan during the 1965 war? At that time there was no Prime Minister. Actually, at that time there was presidential system and the president was Ayub Khan. MCQs number 408, in which year was the second constitutional amendment passed, in which Ahmadiyas declared non-Muslims? The answer is 1974. MCQs number 409, which constitutional body resolve disputes between the federation and provinces? The answer is Council of Common Interests. MCQs number 410, in which year was the Islamabad High Court restored? The answer is 2011. MCQs number 411, who was the first Speaker of the National Assembly under 1973 Constitution? The answer is Fazl Ilahi Chaudhry. MCQs number 412, in which year was the Pakistan-China boundary agreement signed? The answer is 1963. MCQs number 413, which article deals with the procedure for constitutional amendment? The answer is Article 239. MCQs number 414, in which year was the first general election held under the 1973 Constitution? The answer is 1977. MCQs number 415, which city hosted the first OIC summit attended by Pakistan? The answer is Rabat. MCQs number 416, in which year was the OIC founded? The answer is 1969. MCQs number 417, which Pakistani province has the largest forest area? The answer is KPK. MCQs number 418, in which year was the National Accountability Bureau NAB established? The answer is 1999. MCQs number 419, which article of the Constitution relates to the Federal Shariat Court? The answer is Article 203. MCQs number 420, in which year was the 12th Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 1991. MCQs number 421, who was the army chief during Operation Zarb-e-Azab? The answer is General Raheel Sharif. MCQs number 422, in which year was Pakistan first census conducted? The answer is 1951. MCQs number 423, which mountain peak lies on Pakistan-China border and is the second highest in the world? The answer is K2. MCQs number 424, in which year did Pakistan become a member of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization as a full member? The answer is 2017. The MCQs number 425, last but not the least, which agreement between Pakistan and Afghanistan recognized the Durand Line? The answer is 1893 Durant Agreement. In this lecture, we have discussed MCQs from 401 to 425. In the next coming video, we will discuss MCQs from 426 to 450. I hope that MCQs will be helpful for your preparation. Thanks for watching.